Good morning, everyone. We are at the farm. We are here with the entire crew. Brandon's family's here. It's an awesome time. We're going to ride around the farm real quick. Gonna try to get some really good footage of everyone just enjoying the time today. I think we're gonna have some shooting some guns, some fishing, some riding around, just good time overall. We got here last night, had dinner, had a fire, had a great evening, but we're gonna go ride around the farm real quick. We got the whole Clark family on this little thing.
We're ready to go.
Alright, we're gonna go this way and set the pig traps. Alright. And then we'll go that way and go across.
We got Kara and Anthony in there.
Set a little pig trap action here. See if we can catch some hogs.
Got over here.
Oh, little clay target shooting. Little action.
Got some more kiddos. Fire that needs to be a little bit more burning.
That bird got away.
Go, go, go!
Another bird got away. Okay. Actually, your left hand. I'll even shoot it out this side. If you're good to go. You ready? Alright.
Woo! Yeah!
Know what you want to shoot at. Can. Like that?
Wow. That was awesome.
And Anthony's up.
Alright, what's happening now?
Well, we have had some appliance malfunctions, so we're going to show you how we take care of appliance malfunctions here at Sykes Farms. Alright, so our microwave is no longer working, and we're going to fix it. So, watch this. Alright, where's that explosive?
Yeah, we're definitely moving. We are.
But when I hit it, you'll know I hit it. Alright.
I got this all back up.
Let's all back up a lot.
Yeah, let's.
Pretty good? Yeah. Alright.
Woo! Scared me!
How's that?
Yeah, that's cool.
Let's go see if we have a microwave left.
Yeah, no more microwave.
Doesn't appear to be a microwave here any longer.
No more microwave. There is no more microwave.
Those bars are bent. Don't be nervous. Have fun. And right into a tree. Whoop, push on the tree. There you go.
I catch some great big fish. All right, they didn't catch a fish, but we just got done cutting a bunch of firewood. Anthony's ready to rumble. We got John driving. Tally ho. How you doing, John?
Doing good.
Good.
Ready? That's how I sat. That's how I sat in it. Oh!
He did it on purpose.
Yeah. He like continued to roll. Hide your eyes.
Alright y'all, so we got the whole crew here. I just went on a little afternoon hunt and got a doe. So we're about to clean the doe up, process her, and have some doe back straps for dinner. So get ready. What we got?
We got lamb chop, we have pork loin. Some people brought some steak, so we have that. And
We got deer on the grill.
we got deer on the grill. What is that?
Keto pecan pie. And then
Yeah.
also keto pumpkin pie.
And 0 carb whipped topping.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Alright y'all, the weekend is done. The crew has left. We are remaining, and we're about to leave. But it's a great weekend. It was awesome seeing everybody do things they never done before.
Yeah.
This was the first time Brandon's oldest son, John, had driven. Taught him how to drive a standard. He learned how to drive on a standard, which was pretty cool. We blew up a microwave. We cut down some trees, split some wood, shot a deer, taught him how to like dress a deer. It's a cool trip.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It was a cool trip. It was short. We got here on Friday, leaving on Sunday, but I feel like the days like last so long when you're here.
Yeah.
You're not busy looking at your phone and scrolling through whatever. You're actually here
In the moment.
person. And yeah, it's just they're fun-filled days for sure.
Just another day in paradise at the Keto Compound Crew.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
All right. Till next time. See y'all later.